Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best all-purpose flour is probably one of the most versatile ingredients in your kitchen, and it's the star of today's video. We're diving deep into the world of all-purpose flour, exploring its uses, and helping you choose the perfect one for your baking adventures. Whether you're a seasoned baker or just starting out, understanding the nuances of all-purpose flour is key to achieving delicious results. Number 5. Jovial Einkorn All-Purpose Flour. This is the original wheat, better for those sensitive to modern wheat. Its gluten is easier to digest, making it a great choice for many. However, it should not be consumed by celiacs. It's packed with lutein, vitamin E, B vitamins, and essential minerals. This flour is free of common allergens like milk, eggs, and soy. It provides a nutritious base for your baking. This is the only wheat that has never been hybridized. It is USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified. It is not bromated, bleached, or enriched, ensuring its purity. It has a nutty flavor, silky texture, and a buttery yellow color. The gluten is easier to digest and work with than gluten-free flour, yet it bakes the most flavorful bread. They started growing einkorn over a decade ago. To preserve biodiversity, their farmers nurture the soil with long rotation cycles. Farming it is a labor of love and dedication. What we like? This flour is made from einkorn, the original wheat, making it easier to digest. It has a delicious nutty flavor and silky texture. If you are looking for a flour that is both nutritious and gentle on your stomach, this is the perfect choice. Its unique properties make it ideal for those with sensitivities or anyone seeking a more wholesome baking experience. What people say. I make a soaked wheat Irish soda bread, mainly because my family loves it but also because it's so easy. Einkorn, unlike modern wheat, is a diploid grain, meaning it has two genes that code for normal proteins. We are able to enjoy breads that actually taste like bread, make all of our old family recipes, and try a bunch of new ones thanks to this product. Number 4. Jovial Einkorn Organic Flour, Baking Flour. This is the original wheat, better for those sensitive to modern wheat. Its gluten is weaker and easier to digest. However, it should not be consumed by celiacs. It's packed with lutein, tocotrienols, vitamin E, B vitamins, and essential minerals. It's also free of common allergens like milk, eggs, and soy. This flour has never been hybridized. It's USDA certified organic and non-GMO project verified. It is not bromated, bleached, or enriched. This flour has a nutty flavor, silky texture, and a buttery yellow color. It's easier to digest and work with than gluten-free flour, yet it bakes flavorful bread. The product has been grown for over a decade. The farmers nurture the soil with long rotation cycles to preserve biodiversity. Farming it is a labor of love and dedication. What we like? This flour is made from einkorn, the original wheat, making it easier to digest. It has a delicious nutty flavor and silky texture. If you are looking for a flour that is both nutritious and gentle on your stomach, this is the perfect choice. Its unique properties make it ideal for those with sensitivities or anyone seeking a more wholesome baking experience. Plus, you get more for your money. What people say. I make a soaked wheat Irish soda bread, mainly because my family loves it but also because it's so easy. I use this flour in an effort to avoid modern hybridized to death wheat and get back to basics. We are able to enjoy breads that actually taste like bread, make all of our old family recipes, and try a bunch of new ones thanks to this product. I have been making sourdough, cookies, dumplings, pie, you name it, and can finally enjoy flour again. Number 3. JUDEE'S Gluten-Free Bread Flour Mix 4 pounds. Introducing JUDEE'S Gluten-Free Bread Flour Mix. This mix makes it easy to create amazing gluten-free bread, pizza crusts, and more. Just add water, oil, and yeast. With this mix, you can make everything from bread to bagels. You can even make your own gluten-free stuffing or breadcrumbs. The possibilities are endless. Each 4 pounds bag makes 4 large loaves of bread or pizza crusts. You can make up to 12-inch pizzas. Visit our website for more recipes. This product is made in a dedicated gluten-free facility. It's shipped in a resealable pouch to ensure freshness. It's the perfect choice for your baking needs. The mix includes modified tapioca starch, potato starch, and more. JUDEE'S has been providing fresh, allergy-conscious ingredients since 2009. You'll love the results. What we like. This flour is a gluten-free option, perfect for making bread, pizza crusts, and more. It's made in a dedicated gluten-free facility, ensuring its purity. If you are looking for a gluten-free flour that's easy to use and delivers great results, you should consider this. It's a convenient solution for those with dietary restrictions. What people say. My dough had a great texture, it rose beautifully, and best of all, my boyfriend couldn't even tell I'd made a gluten-free loaf of my bread when he had a slice this morning. This flour makes the yummiest, softest, and squishiest gluten-free bread. The crust rises, cooks all the way through, tastes good, has a smooth texture not gritty, and is just the right amount of crisp. Number 2. White Lily Self-Rising Flour, 80 ounces. This self-rising flour is perfect for creating light-textured and fluffy baked goods. It's ideal for biscuits, pastries, and quick breads. Made from 100% soft red winter wheat, this flour has a lower gluten content. This makes it perfect for achieving that light and airy texture. Whether you're making biscuits, pastries, or quick breads, this flour is a great choice. It's also suitable for pancakes, muffins, and waffles. White Lily has been a favorite of Southern cooks for generations. It's a regional product that helps you create delicious baked goods. This flour is easy to use for most baking projects. From cakes and cookies to brownies, it's a versatile ingredient for any baker. What we like. This flour is self-rising, meaning it already has leavening and salt. It's perfect for creating light-textured baked goods, especially biscuits and pastries. If you like making fluffy biscuits or quick breads, this is the one for you. It simplifies the baking process and guarantees delicious results. What people say. Good quality flour makes better baked goods. The flour is soft and light. The end product is the best result. And this from baking the same breads, muffins, and cookies for years. All of my baking goods taste better, texture is better, and it's downright better tasting. It still makes superior biscuits. It also makes crisper, better fried chicken. Number 1. King Arthur Organic All-Purpose Flour, 32 ounces. This organic all-purpose flour is perfect for all your baking needs. It's great for bread, pizza dough, pastries, and more. Its versatility makes it an essential ingredient for any baker. This flour is unbleached and non-GMO, meeting strict organic standards. The careful milling ensures optimal protein content, leading to superior baking performance. You can trust the quality. With an 11.7% protein content, this flour is ideal for various baking applications. It ensures your recipes turn out perfectly, whether you're making cakes or bread. It's reliable. The 32 ounces, 2 pounds package is perfect for home bakers. It's easy to store and use, so you can always have fresh, high-quality flour ready. It's convenient for your baking projects. King Arthur Baking Company, America's oldest flour company, makes this product. As a 100% employee-owned business, they are committed to providing the highest quality baking products. They are a brand you can trust. What we like. This flour is organic, unbleached, and non-GMO, ensuring premium quality. It's versatile and suitable for a wide range of baking needs, from bread to pastries. If you are looking for a reliable, high-quality flour that delivers consistent results every time, you should consider this. Its consistent protein content makes it a great choice for any baker. What people say. I make bread once a week. Whether you are making gravy, cookies, or quiche, this is the flour to use. Great organic flour. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.